Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Motor phone if you've got the password or passkey to log in. So you can see I am under the recovery screen right here. I can wipe the data, and this will erase the login PIN code, and then we're going to have to sign back in with our email address. But I'm just going to reboot this right here, and I'll show you how to launch in there. Specifically on your Motorola phone, all you have to do is hold down the volume down key and the power key, and that'll launch into the bootloader. And then we can choose recovery mode. Now on your version of Android, you might have to hold down the volume down key, press the power button at the same time, and then when the phone turns off, you need to switch to the volume up key, power key, and then if you have a third button like on your Samsung phone right here, I have the big speed button, I have to hold that down too. So very easy on the Motorola phone. Press the power button, volume down key. You might take a picture or something like that. Just continue to hold this down, and the phone's going to turn off, and continue to hold those two buttons down. Now if you're on a different version of Android, press the volume up key and power key. Now once we get to this, we want to go over to the recovery mode, press the volume down key, press the power button to select. Then if we get to the screen where it says no command, just hold down the power button and then press the volume up key. And then we have the traditional Android options to go on down to wipe data, factory reset right here, and tap the power button. And that will factory reset the phone, including all the settings, which will get rid of the passcode to log in. But you're going to have to sign in with your email address. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.